Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for stopping by. My name is Farrah and today I'm going to be reviewing slash unboxing this ponytail. It is by Lullabellz and this is what it looks like. I've kind of ripped the box a little bit, but on the back you can see it has all the nice packaging. It's just so cute, and today I kind of really thought I wanted to review this on my channel because you guys know that I'm into like my hair and my wigs and stuff like that if you haven't watched my previous videos. So just to give you a bit of information about the hair, this is in the shade Natural Black, which is 1B, and it is the Bouncy Luxe ponytail in the 18-inch. I've never put this in before, I've never even used Lullabellz or anything, but I keep seeing it on my Instagram. Apparently it's meant to be really, really good synthetic hair. You can straighten it as well, it says somewhere. Yeah, so you can straighten it up to 180 degrees, and we're gonna get straight into it. This is what the hair looks like. It's a bit big, like from first impressions. I've been in this box before and I've taken the hairnet off. It did come in a hairnet. But yeah, from first impressions, it is huge. This is what it looks like. And it's also got a drawstring. When I first took it out of the box, I literally thought it was gonna be like half a wig. And then I realized it was a ponytail, but just because of how big it is. So I'm just gonna take my hair down and then I'm just gonna brush it out. And I think I'm going to do it as a high ponytail because I will insert a picture here, which is the style that I'm trying to get. And I'm going to take this headbed TG fox curls, which is actually a mousse, but I use this to flatten my ponytails to get it really sleek. And I'm just going to put that, oh my god, I'm going to put that all over my hair. Brush my hair upwards into a normal ponytail, but just a bit higher. Put it in a ponytail and pull it rather tight, all smooth from the back and everything. I'm going to take this bit and I'm just going to twist it and put it into a small bun, especially because my hair is like, it's quite short. But if your hair is kind of long, I would say maybe plait it and then try tuck it in that way to make it a bit smaller. Bearing in mind the size of the bun is kind of going to be how big of a volume you're going to get. Then what I like to do is I like to take this, which is just a normal comb, and just brush down all my edges. I'm not going to do any fancy edges or anything like that. I'm just going to do a sleek ponytail because I think it's the easiest. Make sure the back is nice as well. This is how it comes, so I'm guessing the drawstring goes at the bottom. So it's going to be one of them where I'm just going to grip it and yeah, I'm just going to do it, I think. What the hell? I look like a Barbie. I don't know how I feel about it. This is the length. I did think it was going to be a bit shorter, to be honest, because this is a longer version of what I was expecting. I was expecting it to be this length. So it's like a kind of like a cute bob ponytail, but this is still cute. What do you guys think? Comment it in the comment section down below, and I'm gonna go, but yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I make all types of girly, fashion, lifestyle content, so please subscribe and have a wonderful day.